Is this a beach? Is this the coast? Nope, it's a lake in my backyard. Boats out on the water. Just looking beautiful out here today. Proper lake views now. Yeah, current view today. I think it says Harris Lake, sometimes Jordan Lake. I've heard both names for it. A little up close on that one. It's pretty, isn't it? And I love panning around that sunset through those trees. So pretty. I like where those trees look set against that background too. Let's go this way a little bit, a little further out. A little further out. Only blemish in a perfect skyline is that smoke in the horizon. That's from the Harris nuclear plant. Only blemish on this beautiful landscape out here. Well, in the road, way over there you can see the highway, that bridge is. If you stand right here, it's like you're in the middle of nowhere. All right.